in the daily. Now if we want to continue taking this market higher, if you want to continue taking this market higher, you know that all these, okay, we will mark the obstacles in the 4 hours, but of course you know that we had this BOS here, but I think let's go to the 4 hour and see what was happening there. So if you are here, please can we like this video? Let's get at least to 500 likes. Let's get to 500 likes so that this video can be shared to more people. Yeah, give me some few likes. Let's get to 500. Thank you for those that are liking. Yeah, let us push this thing 500 only, and then it will be pushed to more people. It will be sent to more people. Thank you. Let me reduce the music. We are what, 196? Let's do this. Let's get to 500. 196, 216, Rachel, you are welcome, together with Obok and SK. So we are at 300. We are doing good. Let's push this to 500. Alright, okay. 411. Good. Perfect. So this is the daily range. So for us to see more price action, we will have to go to the 4 hours. And now you can see in the 4 hours, the market is creating very good higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. It has created a higher low, so we expect the market to create a higher high. So we want to mark our obstacles in the 4 hours time frame. Yes, this is a bullish market. We want now to mark our obstacles. So if this market is to keep moving higher, we want to see where and which areas can we see that retracement, because you can see what the market is doing. After every break of structure, the market is retracing. After every break of structure, the market retraces. After every break of structure, the market retraces. So let us mark these BOSs. That one is a BOS. Yes, natumia order flow. We have that one. We have this one. We have a BOS there. And then we have, I think even with those two, we are good to go. Because this market took 2 weeks to come to where it is, so we might not expect the market to come to this area in 1 week. So let us mark our obstacles. Now if you look at this, let me see, let me go to daily. and see, this is the first place we are seeing daily FVG. That is the first area we are seeing that daily FVG, and the other FVG we are seeing is here. So if the market decides to come down, we know it can come back to there or to, and remember, this FVG has actually been retested because the FVG was actually up to that area. So all this bullish movement is coming from this daily FVG. So I want you to have that in mind. Swing trade sahi tajiri. All right, let's go back to 4 hours. Now, yeah, so as we've said, this FVG here is the one that pushed the market up. But we expect that the market can also come to this. This is an order block. We have this order block here. So in this retracement that is already happening, because I cannot see any FVG here, and if there is FVG, it's too tiny, so it cannot, I don't think it can hold. You see, it's too tiny, so that one cannot hold. So we expect that the market will come back here, here, taking out this low that was created here before it continues to move up. So this is the first area we expect the market to come, and this is another area here. You can see this took out liquidity and moved, and actually if you can look at this, this is what retested this one. This is what retested this one. So we also expect that the market can come up to that area. So in the 4 hours, we are only marking our obstacles only. So we have several order blocks here. We have this, so okay, I can remove the FVG now. We have this one, we have this one, and then we have the extreme one. So if the market decides to come down, we know that it will only come down up to this level, up to that level. And I also feel like we can remove this so that we have a very clean chart. And yes, that is how the market now looks like. Now, okay, let me see in 4 hours. Remember that this is a very strong low. That's a very strong low because it took out liquidity and broke structure. So that means we should also be looking at any POI that is around this area. We should be looking for a POI that is around that area. Why? Because this is a very strong low. This is a very strong low. And then we will know that if the market breaks this, we can now look for that opportunity here. If this low is broken, we can continue moving with the market until we get to where we have the low of the range. The low of the range. Let me okay. Yeah, that is where we have the low of the range, like that. So we'll go to the lower time frame and see whether we can get any opportunity to continue this buying this market here. So let me go to 1 hour. Now in 1 hour we have something that is a bit defined. Now if you look at this, the market took out that liquidity and then it broke structure. So that means this is to say what? And we have a few areas where we have FVG here. We have this one. Also, if you look at this, these are what we call relative equal lows. Okay, relative equal lows. And we actually have this one here. You see, like this one is exact. These are equal lows. So what does that tell you? That we should not be looking for any opportunity above this, because this will be taken out. So this becomes our liquidity. Okay, this becomes our what? Liquidity. So if we, because we will go to the lower time frame and look for a sell opportunity here, the best place to hold that sell is up until we get to this area. All right, my network. Okay. We are analyzing. I hope I'm back now. My network had some issues there. Okay, what is happening here now? All right, so I can see we are back. We are back now. Okay, so we've said, oh my god, so everything I had, this is, oh, okay, we still have it. Let me go back to daily and see 4 hour. Okay, so what we had marked is still there. So I'm saying, look at this. Yes, we have this below. We have this order block below. Hunipati, are you getting me now? I don't know whether can you hear me? My network had a small issue there, but I think it has been sorted. So I was saying this is a very strong low because it took out this liquidity and broke structure here. So what we are expecting is that if this market continues to come down, we need to first have a 1 hour order block here, such that it can come to our order block and continue pushing up. But if that does not happen and this low is broken, we will be looking for opportunities from this area. So we go to 1 hour and look at this. We said that these are equal lows. That means that they will be taken out. They will be taken out. They will be taken out. So we have to look for an opportunity below this equal lows here. Now what am I seeing here? The only thing I am saying, we have this FVG. sorry, we have this FVG here, and we have what we call the QML. You see, this is where we have the QML. So let me label this. We have that FVG, and we have the QML. So this breaker block here is highly likely to be used as our POI. That breaker block here. So this is 1 hour. Breaker block. So this is the first place we will be looking for a buy opportunity. This is the first area we will be looking for a buy opportunity. And how should we buy from here? We will buy only if we get this, what we call the confirmation entry. The confirmation entry. So if we get that in the lower time frame, this is the first place we will continue to push the market up. But if we do not get that, we still have another demand zone down here, so we can wait for the market to come here. But now on, this is silver, XAGUSD, this is the first place we'll be looking for a buy opportunity. So if you are an intraday trader like me, you want to catch this move coming down here. Of course, you know this will be trading against the trade, because what I am thinking is, remember, this is the high of the week. This is the high of the week, and there is a higher possibility that the market can take out that high and then come back, create our confirmation entry, and continue moving down. Okay, so if the market decides to go up, which I rarely doubt, because after every break of the market structure, the market tends to come down and take out all or some of the liquidity, and this is the only liquidity I am seeing here, this swing low here, because we have equal lows. So we expect that the market will come down and take out this, then we can buy from here. Once we buy from here, the market might come down, making and then once we come here, we only want to see something like this, and then we continue pushing the market upwards. So that is my bias on XAGUSD. Now let us look at what is happening here. We see whether an intraday trader can get this sell, because these are a lot of pips. This can actually take the whole day on Monday. These are a lot of pips. So let me go to the lower time frame and let's see what is happening here. All right, in 30 minutes I can't see anything. I can just see the market building liquidity, what we call trade line liquidity. You see this one? This is what we call trade line liquidity. So the market can still continue to move up. The market can still continue to move up. So let me see. wait first, wait. Yeah, this is the best place to buy the market. Yeah, but I want to see whether we can get this move down. It will be a very good one. So let me see in 15 minutes. What we need to see in this area is what we call the confirmation entry. In this area, the confirmation entry. So let us go to 5 minutes and see what is happening. Remember, this is the area we are interested with, this area here. That is where we want to see whether we can get a sell entry. So the market was making a series of higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, okay, this is giving us some more, it's giving us something here. So it has already taken a few lows. That one was taken, this one was taken, and that one has been taken. So that tells you that the market has a reason to continue pushing lower. As you can see, using order flow, the market is respecting every order block and it is not breaking it. So you can see the market came to that and tapped on that order block. It also came and tapped on this order block. Okay, it has also come and tapped on this order block here. So what do we expect? We expect the market to come here. We expect the market to come here and then continue pushing down. But now remember that all this is trade line liquidity. All this is trade line liquidity. And what I am seeing here, I want our chart to be a bit clean. So what I'm seeing here, except that the market made this what we call a break of market structure here, because as you can see, this is a clear break of market structure on this level, and it has broken structure 3 times now. So that tells you that it has every reason to sell a bit. But at least I know where we are selling to, or we know where we've seen where this market is selling to. But I also need you to see that except that this market took out this low here, it has not taken out this low. So what I would do is to wait for the market to take out this low. Okay, once this low is taken out and the market closes below that low, then I can wait for a re-entry and continue moving down. But if you are a risky trader, if you do risky trading, you can see that using order flow, the market is really respecting what? This all these highs, but except that the market took out this low, it has not taken any other low. So I would expect that unless the market closes below that low there, this low that was created, I will not look for these sales, and I will also not look for any buys unless the market comes to our 1 hour order block. 1 hour order block, which is this one. So I think we got something there on XAGUSD. So let us look at USD JPY.